Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the final steps on the wrap. We're going to be finishing off the quarter panels. I think the bumpers we're going to leave them black. I'm not sure if I want to leave them black or if I want to do the same blue. But I was thinking of doing a same matte metallic black on the bumper, also on the roof and the mirrors. We're not sure about that yet, so for now it's going to stay black. But what we have to do first is remove the tail lights. That way we can get around this edge right here and tuck in the vinyl. So for that we're going to be using the pry tool. And the way you remove the headlight, you have to remove the trim first. The easiest way that I could find to remove it was to get the pry tool and get it just about here, just about in the center, and just slowly pry. You can hear it. Then the bottom part. And then you want to go up the top, but you don't want to do it through here. I find it easier to go through the middle on the inside and just pop it right off like that. Same thing for the other sides. And just like that. There's three T20s that you have to remove. So let's go ahead and do that. Where's my T20, T10? So we're gonna just use a screwdriver. There's one at the top. We're gonna go ahead and undo that one. Keep your screws safe. Then there's one in the bottom left. And just another one right over here, bottom right. There we go. And also there's a couple of clips that you have to undo on the inside. So what you want to do is pop open this little panel right here. You can use your pry tool or just your hand. I find it easier to just use your hand. Pry that open. And on the inside there's a couple of clips that you have to do. There's no clip at the top, just at the bottom. I'll show you right now. Let's go ahead and undo the wiring harness. Go. And these are the two clips that I'm talking about right here. There's one on your, if you're looking at it from the behind, there's one on the left side just above the screw, this clip right here, and the other one is all the way at the end on your right side, just above the screws. If you know where the screws are located, just kind of have an idea, get your hand in there and get the headlight off. Tail light, sorry. So once you've taken out the tail lights and you've cleaned it off, the only thing left to do is to remove the chrome piece that sits between the window and the panel. To do that, it's quite easy. You just start prying it off with your fingers. You don't want to use too much force. If you feel that you're gonna break it, you really don't need that much force to get it to pry open. You just want to go from the edge. How I did it, I recommend doing it from the back to the front. So just go 1, 2. Once you get to the corner, try to like slip your finger underneath it and just continue doing it until you pull it off piece by piece. Don't try to pull it off all in one go. Go little by little and you'll be alright.